How to find CapCut ID. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to find CapCut ID. Now then, to begin with, you have to first of all open the CapCut application. Make sure that you've already installed the CapCut app. And once you're done with this procedure, you just need to tap on the Me section from the bottom of the page. If you have not signed in, you could go ahead and make sure to sign in. And when you click on the view profile section, there you could find your profile ID. And right underneath, you could find the ID, which is right over here. You could see it. And that is considered to be a CapCut ID. And if you've not logged in or if you don't have an account, then you just need to make sure to log in either with your TikTok account, maybe, or maybe Google, or maybe manually create your account. And within no time, you'll be able to find your CapCut ID on the following page. So this is basically how you could locate or find the CapCut ID. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.